petit café de minuit, on voit de très jolies filles. Soyez tous les bienvenus.
Hello, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. We are doing a video on French girl makeup. I'm gonna do my very best attempt to be French because we all know Americans are obsessed with French women. They, you know, they just have a je ne sais quoi. Like, I've just been like watching so many Vogue Paris French videos and feeling inspired. I feel like I relate in some way to wanting, you know, just like easy, effortless feeling routines. So I thought this would be kind of fun. I recently kind of reintroduced red lipstick back into my life. I have a nice little quirky vintage t-shirt on for this occasion. Hugs 5 cents, kisses 10 cents, love no charge, let's trade. Super cute. So, from my calculations, skincare is a must. I also feel like working on your skin is like my favorite part of my beauty routine, more so than makeup. Like, I care much more about skincare. I'm using the Glossier primer. And the beginning of this routine is not going to change much from what I have been doing for years, which is just my Glossier foundation. I'm going to throw out some tips that I have been learning via other YouTube videos. I feel like most of like the French tips are about kind of just like letting some imperfections show through. Again, if you really like wearing a lot of makeup or like doing glam, I'm not glam shaming, but I like personally just prefer to not feel like I'm wearing a bunch of makeup. Like the idea of, you know, we don't have to be perfect all the time. And I feel like that's why French women are so alluring, is because they kind of like, in general, it seems like they rely a little bit more on like their confidence to make them that way instead of like always looking perfect. Or like trying. I don't know if it's like the way that if someone's not trying, then something about them is like much more interesting. Not sure. So like my skin still feels dewy, which is great. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of concealer on this one bigger zit I have, but otherwise I'm just gonna leave it be. Something else, I feel like multi-sticks are just great and also kind of stay in line with the theme here. So I'm just using a little bit of bronzer. This is the Bite multi-stick. And then I'm gonna use this on my eyes as well because I feel like using the same color on your cheeks and eyes, to me, makes it seem like everything kind of just blends together better. So I'm just gonna use the same color. I used to use the Glossier Brow Flick in black because my hair is black, I dye it black, my eyebrows are black naturally. I've recently switched to brown because I feel like it doesn't make my eyebrows so dark, because sometimes in photos and just like random days my eyebrows are just really overpowering, which I love my eyebrows, but at the same time, like, I feel like there's just such a balance of having dark eyebrows. So I'm just like using this to give them like a little bit more shape. So that looks better. And then I've been using clear boy brow instead of a colored one because that just will hold the shape better, but again, like, not make them so dark. Because I do like my eyebrows just how they are, but just like giving them a little extra shape I think is cute enough. Future do. I didn't know if I liked this product. Like, truly took me a second. At first I honestly hated it, which is why I never spoke about it in any type of media, because I was thinking it came across like a little bit sticky and I just wasn't sure of the purpose. But then I tried it again on Halloween to see if like I could make myself look wet because my costume was like caught in the rain. And then I realized that I actually really love it. So you can use it on top of your makeup, and it actually really does give you that Glossier like dew that you see all of their models like always look so dewy and fresh. This feels French to me. If you're French and you're watching me and just like laughing, I'm so sorry. And I feel like adding the last layer of the Future Dew actually makes your skin look really, really glowy and almost looks like you're not wearing foundation at all, because it's like, how could you have this glow with foundation? Because foundation usually makes your skin look a little bit more matte. Eyelash curler, also learned this from Vogue. It's like, I remember being so excited to use an eyelash curler when I was young and like just starting to wear makeup, and then I totally forgot they existed, and now I'm like, wow, these are next level. I have pretty long eyelashes, but they kind of stick straight out, so when I actually curl them, they look so much longer. Using Lash Slick because it doesn't make your eyes look clumpy, which I like. And again, this product, they really did a good job. Like, this is my dream mascara, to be honest. Just like a teensy bit of mascara. And now we're gonna do, this scares me. I used to wear matte lipstick all the time, and I look back in photos and I'm like, whoa, like I was really doing the most. But okay, so we're gonna take this Flesh lipstick and we're gonna apply to finger and then apply to my lips to kind of like kiss it on. Which also, like, maybe red lips are more of a nighttime look, but I feel like I still see like Jeune de Masse and like all, like, you know, you can wear red lips on any given day, I feel like. And when you're not wearing a lot of makeup, it just puts the focus on your lips instead of feeling like, whoa, she's like really done up. Like, my face still looks pretty chill otherwise, and I like that look. I think it's kind of cute, kind of hot. Am I totally missing my lines? Okay, now they're really bright. I'm gonna try something else too. Kissing toilet paper, just to like get a little bit of it off. I might do a little, I kind of missed. I missed the line. Maybe I'll add a little more Super Dew. Thank you. My hair is just dried from yesterday. This is how, luckily it naturally dries. I was watching something else and it was talking about how I sound like so annoying saying French woman so many times, but they were talking about how like it seems from my observation that there's more emphasis on like preventative care, I would say. So like skincare, having a good haircut, trying to make it look a certain way afterwards by like buying a bunch of products. Anyhow, yeah, so I get my hair cut by Emily Sue. If you're in New York, I literally, like, she changed my life. I'm gonna just gloat for a second. My hair has never looked this good. Like, it's never dried on its own well. Like, I've always felt like I needed to style it. And this just like looks like it still has shape, even though I didn't do anything to it. If I do anything, I'll add like some hair oil in the mornings just to make sure that it stays hydrated and like fresh, but just like a few drops. And I'll just put that on the ends to make it look not so frizzy. But that's it. This wasn't super cringy. Just wanted to try this out. I feel like it's kind of a look. Like, I'm feeling good. I'm just wearing jeans and a t-shirt, and it's super easy. If I wasn't talking through this, it would take 5 minutes. Put together, kind of nice. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Click that subscribe button if you did and you're not subscribed yet. And I will see you in the next one.